Okay, I'm here now with David Graves. He's the president of Controlled Efficiencies. David, what is it that Controlled Efficiencies does?
Control Efficiency has an electronic records and electronic signature program to handle all of the medical gas requirements by the FDA. We also do food gases and some industrial gases, but it's all electronic records. It's forces people to stay within compliance.
All right, very good. What would be something that maybe some of these distributors don't know about you?
Well, at one time I was actually a distributor, and then when I sold, we developed this program inside of my company for our use, and once I sold the company, I kept the software and started selling it to who at that time was our competitors.
And very good. How about, is there anything new on the horizon that maybe some of the distributors that are already using your software should keep an eye out for?
Well, we've added the USP CO2, and we've got USP helium coming out. So now, since the last GAWDA show, this will be a completion with the medical air, CO2, and USP helium.
All right, very cool. Well, thank you, David, for everything that you've done for us over the years. It's always good to see you and Austin. He's not here today, but shout out to Austin back at home, and thank you.
Thank you, Tim.